At Reets Drying Academy, learning is interactive, practical, and exciting.
I enjoyed it. David did a great job, and the hands-on part was nice.
Here at Reets, they take you out and we flood a house and you dry it out.
We spent a lot of time in the hydro lab and doing building assemblies.
Our instructors are approachable, knowledgeable, and dynamic.
He explained things very well. He made sure everybody knew what was going on.
David understands psychrometry, vapor pressure, and the relationships of temperature and humidity at a level that really helps us appreciate when we're out in the field why and what we're doing.
Our hands-on activities allows for students to stay engaged while gaining a broader understanding of the science behind what they're learning.
You've done a great job of getting us out of our seats and applying the things that we're learning. Hands-on was a real part of this program as opposed to the traditional sit in your seat 8 hours a day and listen to a PowerPoint presentation. Go Reets, we appreciate the depth of knowledge you're bringing to this trade.
Sign up today for our Applied Structural Drawing class.